Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to try to resolve this error message. This error message would happen when you click on my leave and it will just take you to this error creating data source. So let's log in to our employee self-service portal and try to see and understand this error. Okay, so once I log into my employee self-service portal, I'll click on my leave, and as soon as I click on my leave I get this error message. So how do I resolve this? Now this issue can be caused due to a couple of factors. To check these factors you will have to log into your PayGlobal. So once you have logged in onto PayGlobal, you will need to go to your public holidays. In order to go to your public holidays, you will use the global list on top. Type holidays. You don't have to type the entire word. You just have to type the first two or three letters and it will take you to it. Once you are under the holidays, what you can do is you can right click and customize your columns and try to get the holiday date onto this grid so that you can easily check. So once you have this onto your grid, what you can check is you will need to check for duplicate dates, and you need to check if there is any empty public holiday which has not been entered. So what I mean to say is that the public holiday must be created, however the holiday date must have been missed out. So let's check if there is any duplicates over here. And as you can see at the bottom, we have the description is different. One is Easter Monday and the other one is Constitution Day. However, the date that has been created are both the same. So let's try to resolve that first. For Constitution, let's keep it to the 7th of September 2022. Let's change the date and let's click on save and close. So that has been removed. Now I don't see any duplicates over here, which means that is correct, but I do see there's a blank holiday date that has not been entered yet. So I'll double click onto that, and under the date I will update the date over here. So I'll put the date, and so once the date has been updated, I will try to log in onto my log out and log in again to check if this issue has been resolved. All right, so as you log in to your employee self-service and you click on my leave, you will notice that the error has now been eliminated. The reason that was causing that error was due to the duplicates and the fact that the public holiday was one of the public holiday dates was blank. Now, there are other factors as well, but it will more go into a deep dive or into a technical aspects of it. So if you have tried to resolve that issue by doing that self check and you are still facing that issue, then I would suggest you to log that to your support help desk. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.